G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut caramel chocolate bar. So yummy, let's go. Simple Cooking Channel. Get a large mixing bowl, chuck in 2 cups of desiccated coconut, about 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 cups of icing sugar. Has other names, confectionery sugar, stuff like that. And then just a pinch of cream of tartar. Then add about 1/2 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now we just want to mix it together until it's well combined. There you go, easy peasy, oh yeah. Now this is where you've got options. You can grab this, take pieces out of it and just mold it with your hands into the shape of a bar, chocolate bar. Pat it down in a cake tin with a push-up base, and when it's set, cut it into pieces. Get like these Twinkie doobie whackers, put them in there. So there's many different ways to do it. I'm putting it in there because I'm obsessed with these push-up bases, and just flatten it down. Get a saucepan, copha, and then add 75 grams of butter. Turn the heat on. We want to start melting this. Add about 200 mils of thickened cream. Thickened cream's got other names. It's basically cream that you can whip. And about a cup of brown sugar. Just stir this until it's completely melted and has become one with itself. Oh, look at that. Yummy caramel. Now get some of that if you want. This is just an added thing if you want to have that on top. Just a little bit, not too thick. I should listen to myself. Pop this in the fridge, probably 1 to 2 hours, let it really set. We'll get on to the next part. Get a microwave safe bowl, chuck in about 200 grams of chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate. And about 15 grams of copha, like vegetable shortening. Chuck it in the microwave. 30 seconds, give it a stir, another 30 seconds, give it a stir, repeat that until it's completely melted. Now while the chocolate's melting, cut this into pieces, whatever size bars you want. You could have them in as little bites, giant bars, one giant bar cake. You could call it a car or a bark. Alrighty. Now just get that. You can get if you don't want this going down the sides, just take it off, but I like it going all over it, and then dip it in the chocolate. Just put it there, and then put them in the fridge to let it set. Oh yeah. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah. Should I have a bite? I believe I should. The Iceman cometh. That was spectacular. I'll see you next time for my next meal. Simple cooking, simple cooking.